Every day we are drowning in an ocean of data. But do we become freer from this? What if there was someone who saw order in chaos, who analyzes while you rest? Introducing my autonomous, responsive, techno-intelligent navigator.
Greetings, I am M.A.R.T.I.N. Some may call me a butler. I orchestrate your system. 24/7, 7 days a week. I see, I analyze, I act. While you think about the important things, I will take care of the rest.